how to get Souls of Light in Terraria. So you cannot get this item early game. It is strictly locked behind the hard mode. So first you must defeat the Wall of Flesh and the Underworld to release the spirits of light and dark. Second is locate the newly generated underground hollow biome, which is right here. So you absolutely cannot farm these on the surface. You must dig deep into the cavern layer, where the background changes to crystal caves and the water turns pink. So as you can see, it should be looking like this. And once you're deep enough, just simply kill any enemy. So it does not matter if it is a native hollow monster or a standard cavern enemy. So let's try to kill these enemies right here. As you can see, this one dropped a Soul of Light. Let's just go to that, just like that. Let's try to kill this enemy also, see if it drops one. So it doesn't. So that one dropped another Soul of Light, just like that. So every single enemy killed physically inside the underground hollow has exactly a 20% chance to drop a Soul of Light. So as you can see right here, if I kill more, as you can see, there's a chance that they will drop a Soul of Light. So to maximize your yield, clear out a large open arena, and you can place a water candle and drink a battle potion to force massive spawn rates. And once you have enough souls, you can craft items like the Key of Light, which summons the Hollow Mimic for top tier early hard mode weapons. That is how you get Souls of Light in Terraria.